nyame adom mu nyina no aba beduru ayedem a ye no mu ebedi enkomo kakra Unilever International Africa om director na ankasa yera next Osona J otenase awa ye no bedi enkomo bibi mpanufam yeni Obani, good morning. Mr. Obani, Mike and Mame.
Morning, boss.
Patrona, your first say.
Your friend George Etuahin Boating.
George Etuahin
Boating.
Okay, oh, you're there on your neighbor.
Operations.
Hey. Obia, don't can it do be an eze. The bottom ye. Don't you fan to be a gig.
On one of the two.
Oh, I am another two.
Onyx.
Oh. That and I did not know.
That and I confirm him a long time 2000.
Hey, oh, yeah, don't. I see.
When you back home, I'm so many do.
Also good morning.
Good morning.
Anna Obey Mike. Good morning.
Good morning, boss.
Pass on out to say.
Yami Adom hoya pa ode.
Mention here. Now, also didn't say.
Me a friend na do emisa.
Nana adu emisa. Also position here saying.
Pacho me assist me, boss.
Oh, okay. Now I wanted the dawn. Assistant. All right. I think was sort of the Unilever International Africa. I'm a director. You were on next Osono AJ. Ono ankasa wa ene no ebidi enkomo. Obani, good morning.
Good morning.
Pacho na what to say?
Pacho Yankopon Adomboko.
Edanyamia se. Mama started by saying say Ghana football damase pa because they be ameka say enye easy say obi be so no say me person me invest in Ghana football a lot and me say go into it and sana also be take whatever decision also taking before cry be start with whatever be am best discuss bi no me person me gina Ghana for nyina dem na e ka say Unilever for damase na me nshiramo na ebi mrabium e damase pa. Then to me question na nkasa mpese mbusa because minimisa na more options bebre ananka Unilever ambeti mi di musika akowura ose mu invest. Why Ghana football?
But that's a part of the question I will busa me. The tieni ya the Rexona and yes Jumawi.
Okay.
Now Rexona and Kasana are associated with sports. Because we share all the FIFA competitions organized here, we are also part of it. And for example, we share Cafe we were able to sponsor it. AFCON, yes. Okay. So we were in Morocco and we even gave the players the products to also use. And World Cup is our airbase, so no, we are going to sponsor. Because Rexona as a brand is associated with any activity a member was sweaty. And football is also part of it because he himself sweat here. I am free till. If you free na till so no, mete bacteria. As our bacteria not the odor eba. Na bra as our odor neba na yin can na hydrin.
Sure.
Inti ya yes our Rexona product he say ebebo ho by 72 hours. Just say ebebo ho by 3 days and na miensa.
Okay.
Na enye say ebema ho ahwam keke. Nemu bacteria na eba I de how brown so no ese kum no.
Wow.
Na I had the opportunity bra a question sign players bit to say Olivier Giroud. A sign player bit to say Enzo Fernandez for Chelsea. Na me hwedi na me sahwe other African countries to say Kenya. Omo team bi ho your friend Ogoma here.
Yeah, Goma.
Yes, so no Sao Leopard. So we had some interactions with them. And me being a Ghanaian and having the opportunity to also lead the team in Ghana as well, no? I asked myself, so what can I also do to give back to society in terms of the footballing activities? And my idea how share football. Now, I was doing some analysis across even your radio. Say pundits, you know, about footballer. You see the passion that they speak about the olden days football.
Yeah.
Inti so be can't babaya ho asem a who say na nipa na ni agye na oka na ho asem obi ka osei kofi obi ka kukudazi mo ho asem a who passion on modeka if you say sankrofo no they were able to play together for long period and until na Ghana itime African Cup near sa J sa club continental cups ni nyina no your house of folk career. First, I Ishmael to Dombo, Temo, a botche. To me, possible Momoji in 2000.
Sure.
All because na omutimi bomb. But he say entesa. Sika sem. Ubi bo kakra bi I don't want to disrespect any nation by saying say country B in person bo bi adi, but ubi buy how they sika ketu be to pro no so ana players in the person.
And it's true because ubi anu bit me catch him say Libya.
Yes.
Game number on also the Ghana. By a Ghanaian player, a player bi ake who player bi a satan ho ba obo or the local scene because Black Stars were not collab near obeti ade be cheso ko Libya.
If you so channel.
Sure.
Into such a person, then I also be me the aboa.
Okay.
Na am I players no so atna. Into my own small way, no many your management, edwin on behalf of Unilever International say. And then that's a product way, no. I be boy who buy who say players and also sweating no. And then the home emphasis only been so players na saying. Today they can sample clubs beer. Na way trim so mobetimi akwa Africa. There is a very big caveat to whatever I'm doing. Unilever International business doesn't see whatever is happening in the local field. They see what happens internationally because you maybe I will Dubai, you Singapore, you Germany, or England, I perceive whatever is happening on that front. Maybe I attention will buy Africa Cup of Nations, and I face a Confederation Cup. And ABL Champions League no crime, my friend says Champions League. Champions League. It is players need to me bohosa na a boy my brand no so you internationally. Inti yes sample clubs I did say nan come bit me akwa Africa. I bit say Kotoko, bit say Has and Adriana and Ra. Moya o madie no. But my main chat tapuku kra. But a very good job done. Had yes sample. Then also management so say George is a very, very good person who also brought to my attention said there are key players in Ghana. I also almost hearing a sign almost up to the bill. The Dedi Kai Yakoshare Ya Inuya Benjamin Asari.
House of Folk,
yes. And my sign marvelously he's doing so well. What we are doing, let's say, about Boama players in so I hear among no me aboboa kwetri abeboa Ghana football. Not only the Black Stars, but any national team biano. Say under 20 under 23 any national team biano be a person biano. Then we can also support. In tennis, no.
And as you abetamo also there.
No query.
I was Jim. Monfa video no. And to YouTube and Share TV and na abetamo. So on the ambassador at the Rexona. I invite Unilever. Also and running the ambassador fe. In the abetamo the no and yes show our YouTube and Share TV. Ubeti me abana onso oba behwebi. So we dey asem de pa.
Na ebi obi be ka say na sa abetamo akra mo national team. Nti adenti na ye can say ye pese ye hwe mo bo national team. Ye mpese ye be rules no so hard and fast. Ye pese ye gum kakra say anybody that is also potentially a national team player or yet on the trajectory to going there, no, so we can support the person so that he can propel the person to be there. If Albert Amwa, you didn't check, and sana will be free league no more. Wasababaki. I'm so now call up crowd. Yes. Into any player, Saubo Division 1 or Division 2, Nase, coach knows or modern boss, and now bit me about Black Stars. International platform near the Mount Quadia.
Okay.
And go point out my will be him. About sponsor.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ghana for Damasi. Damasi pa se monsumu du musika. E room na in place it through. Biwane hame. Se player be free Ghana so ko bobo sebi. Men ka so mo nyama but football dey sengi in bob bibiri che omo. Patika 70 and omo konti. Da se bim na biem ye bom pa se mo betimi ebiem expanding the more na in place in clubs yi omo so benyam so mfa so na omonya esika omo so betimi ade arane the day-to-day activities of clubs no how wo bibia be na cooperation so na me
bibi ka krem na besa me kan say baby a Unilever International ade the sports commercial ni wura no a grey area pa Obagana meanwhile Juma for bare 5 years in it. I've always said it say yentimi nkipi players no because you need sika enough for betimi dey sustain you. But one part ye ja to a ema yentimi nyesade no the image right of the players no how you gina o manemu negotiate ma wo mo utu kwan ko baby apart from salaries and clubs in the
demand players
yes the players no this ambassadorial roles ne brand ambassadors ne omo ye befo and mo skapa and sometimes they know say omanya this ambassadorial role because they are playing for this club and when they leave they lose it. And no cry to me now because yes, because at least reason abema me say every month on the billboard or chroma na me so many careful which I will lose it when I leave the club there. Emma the Unilever International no. Emma me okay. Because that was a space and Ubia said that man in cohort, especially in the Ghanaian contest, and they've done a very, very good job. I was outside.
Time no copa, me more operation me ka create na I mean, I dear my so in nine and since a Ghana ni be per se on so called top red zone anibia. We just so no ko he because me dem per se be at me to be. Say na be amusun benya sika na mo de aboa in clubs here.
That's it. Red zone they say Ghana had the ajibe bia.
Okay.
Shop bia benya bi.
Okay.
Open here to that the as a distributor.
Okay.
And Beauty Glow here a distributor.
Right.
My boss me deputy manager at the numbers no be abetuja sene be ya obi ato
72 hours no kra na me de no pa me say me yana no pa na na nyumre na e de nkakra nyumre de on ha no benya problem ti say me nya reason na e nyumre no a ebi am timi ko ba for na say de ma ya wi no am de agu no ma bedadin awani ti ebi obi pe bi atu na ono so ato ana opeba ku bi ato ahin na onko any number dia mo pesa mo de kan na fi emfa enkomo no enso emfa enso data
obi pe bi ato for Beauty Glow
okay
omo Kumase omo Kedetia omo sa wo Edum na CBG Bank
CBG one
bank in the area ho na benya bi ato na omo betimi afresh number where me pesa me de to dwai na mesrel so frɛ na so pese utu ton a sa number we otfra on sabeka
okay
054 338 49 58 054 338 49 58 na daddy ash for no so omo wo Kumasi house omo same place. On say your baby a friend cosmetic lane. Into munyina e wo yes, and I'll call Accra so I'll kind so ube hu omo ho. Okay. Na sa number we we the omo anka some national sales manager. Okay. The number na me de ba to dwen. Right. Our friend na obeje je so say. And also number near 053 101 3881. Yes. Okay. Na dia ba ko me pese me de twat.
Na we de twat sure.
Program aye nyina ye distributor bi a friend no OAB o say akwasi boache na waso ya sense e kai wo ho bi ayemfa lunch aye ko nyina obefa
aminshano
ene ne keka ho nyina obefa na ono nso no me ko hu no na me de lax e bae lax opia e di dware na me de akuku no warehouse a oton nti say am lax so Emma Rexona for a G and India, and I'm some percent on so sure. Now, your friend of the Big Jake, okay, Big Jake, now lax an idea, a yedutrem, and also Mamma Whitesham, and a number ni 0244 81 23 64 0244 81 23 64. Baby, I'll pay lax to a tombia, I'll Fred Jaka,
okay.
Boss, we dey yadasi. Na kwesiada so kwesiada. Sure. Na kwesiada so kwesiada na bia.
Kotokone house.
Na onse Oba Stadium. Oh, me kasa. Oba Stadium. Rexona be fly wo scoreboard na se.
Oh, okay.
What I say? Until no catch you bia obeto nyum say omra.
Okay.
Regular be flow into different here.
We consider super class no. Regional class. Unim de dia. So Abetamo versus Benjamin Asare. Omunye no nya so.
Yeah, track away goalkeeper.
Yes, omunye no nya so. Regional ambassador. Senti super regional.
Until I'm saying regular be flow. Bon tonet.
Yes.
Okay.
And the same na say consider kwa no. Na Uniha na okọ South Africa.
Ojo, ye twa wa wasisi a.
Amusu garlic bitters mamu